Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to log into your TaxAct account. For this, guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome, bring up the search bar and type in TaxAct login and hit enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link, www.axa.com. Just click on that link. Now, you will be taken to the homepage of TaxAct. At the right side of your screen, you can see the Sign In button. Just click on the Sign In button. Now you will be taken to the new interface, which is the Sign In page. Simply over here, you need to enter your username. Similarly, enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on the eye icon to see your password. Just click or remember this device for further use, but I suggest you guys do not try it on public computers. In case if you forgot your username or password, just click on Forgot Username or Password. And once you click on Agree and Sign In, then you'll be easily access your account. If you don't have any account of TaxAct, just click on Create a New One, then you'll be easily create a new account. That's much for today, guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon for our latest video, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.